Okay. Hello, my name is Diamante Nelson. I am the owner of Timeless Mobile Detail. You can follow me on Timeless Mobile Detail, Instagram, Facebook, Google, everything. Timeless Mobile Detail. Actually, besides Twitter, Twitter is Timeless M Detail. Somebody took the, you know. So I'm 22 years old. I'm from Chicago, Illinois. I've worked a couple jobs that, to me, I felt were dead end. And I saw no future in it, honestly. So I really built this business to really get into real estate. That was my big thing. I wanted an asset that was generating some income, and I would funnel that income into real estate to make passive income. But honestly, I'm loving just the process of building this business and putting this business together to make it into something that I've built I care about, that I've built literally from the ground up. My dad actually ended up telling me to, try it out. So next day I just bought the truck. So I ended up buying a truck. I ended up buying the supplies, and then I ended up washing my first car professionally for someone else about a month later. So here is the truck, both sides. I'm actually gonna throw this over here. Oh man. Okay, we're gonna put it right here. So here's the truck. You can actually look at the truck and see, man, this was ugly. So I had to buff this truck for like 3 days straight. 3 days. Literally compound buffed and everything. And buffed it down. This truck had three misfires. The body only had one seat. It was rust everywhere. It was rust everywhere. But I ended up kind of fixing all that, and I'm still actually adding stuff to this truck. I'm constantly always putting stuff together, but this is one of the more recent pictures on this side. And man, it looks like a different truck. I love it. Um, so, why should you wash your car with me? Why should you wash your motorcycle? Why should you wash your truck, your SUV? Why should you wash it with me? Honestly. So, I care about results. I don't care about cash. I don't care about anything else. I care about results. I care about making sure that you're satisfied with the service. It's rewarding for me to feel like I've given the most that I could, while also still, I just love the fact that people always say, like, every time I wash a car, people always say, oh man, it looks just like it's off the lot, like I just bought it. That is rewarding to me. That makes me feel like I've done my job and I've done it correctly. And that's what I value. That's what I care about the most. Convenience. So you don't have to leave your house if you honestly don't want to. You don't have to leave your house. You can get your car washed at work. You can literally leave your car in the garage, and if you have enough space, I can come and take care of it. This is one big one everybody asks. You don't have to. I have my own water supply. I don't have to hook up to any of your hoses or anything. I don't want to run anybody's water bill up. So I have everything, pressure washer, generator, everything all in my truck. So dependable. This is a big thing in this industry. It's a lot of people who do detailing that they don't communicate well enough to my standard. So I like to make sure that I try not to be, but even if I'm maybe like a couple minutes late, I like to make sure I call or I send a text. Or if it's gonna take me a little longer on something, I'll make sure I send a text or I call. A lot of people are afraid of the confrontation and they choose not to say anything, which is bad business in general. Nobody wants to deal with somebody who is scared to just say, "Hey, I'm gonna take a little bit of time," or "This is gonna be, whatever's gonna happen." Or even good things, I want to make sure I communicate with you. Hey, I can get that out faster. Like I can get that stain out faster. Or I can do something for you that will help you. I want to be sure that communication, high expectations, and I want to be professional. I want everything to be intact. I don't want to have any miscommunication, and that's a big deal for me. So, Here's actually a detail that I did for a client of mine. Man, this car was awesome. This is just the engine. This is a part of a package that I did, but it's just the engine detail, and looks brand new. It looks like a new car. This was another one that the car actually had a bunch of ketchup stains in the carpet and on the seats. This was a nice Mustang too. Ended up where I ended up cleaning up the whole car and I shampooed the rugs. I actually did the seats too, and you can look at it. I mean, it looks totally different. And even though it was kind of dark when I actually finished and I took these pictures, you can still see how big the difference is, especially in like the crevices right here and the seats. I mean the carpet. Like it was necessary. So that was big for me. Here's another one I'm very proud of. So this one was a S550, and I ended up getting to watch this car, and the guy actually had the car sitting for about 2 weeks because birds just beat it up, and then he had some stains on the inside that I think he um was finally like, you know what, I'm just gonna get it done, and this is the end result. I mean, this is just the exterior, but man, like just to save time, you can see the difference. You can see the paint, and everything looks better. I love doing this car. All right, this one was some scratches. It was some minor scratches, but I was able to buff it down, polish it, throw some wax on it, and you can see on the right side it looks brand new. So this is packages. So multiple services in one. It's basically a bundle deal. So, for example, I have one of my packages, the diamond package. That's the interior shampoo, the engine detail, tail wipe down, and just exterior washing the wheel detail. That's all included in that package. It's also a bundle of lower tier packages as well. So the COVID package and the gold package are included in this package, plus the interior shampoo. This gives it kind of an easier layout. So, of course, I still do specific things, but if you're looking for, oh, okay, well, if I want my engine detailed too, or I want my wheels detailed, I can get all of this in one and get that done. And I've seen a lot of people actually like this idea better instead of just having one service. But honestly, I'm flexible. I work with everybody. I had to throw this on there too. So when you're booking, make sure to book if you have a car, a SUV, or a plus size truck. There are different time frames that I have set to be able to do these types of cars or these types of vehicles. Even if you're doing a motorcycle or you're doing like booking for a car. Um, is necessary because I want to make sure that my time is accurate not only for you but also for my next clients. I want to make sure that everybody is, I don't want to be late in any circumstances. So I like to make sure that I'm there early. So having my times accurate helps me to be able to do that and also helps me to give you an exact time frame of how long it'll take me to get your car, your truck, your SUV done. Oh, come on. The mobile fee too. So the mobile fee is applied to all the packages. Packages are priced with the mobile fee not included. That's only because the mobile fee is specified by where you're located. I do everything $1.75 per mile from area code 60643. I will have a conversation with you beforehand about everything you're paying for before I do the service, just to make sure that we're both on the same page. In the booking process, there is a opportunity where it'll show you what services you have set in the appointments when you set an appointment. So the mobile fee will not show up. I will have to manually add that. But this is to clarify everything involving a mobile fee, honestly. Just I know a lot of people are confused on that, so I make sure to put that in to make sure that it's specified. That's my truck, and these are ways you can contact me. So that's my name. Uh, yeah, it's Simon's Mobile Detail on everything. You can Google me. That's my email and that's my website. So If you have any more questions, if you have any more concerns, I also, it's my dog, I'm sorry. I also have my phone number, which is on the truck right there, so I actually didn't get to put it on the side. But text me, call me, whatever needs to happen, and if I don't answer, I will get right back to you. So, yeah, I hope you have a great day, and thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Bye.